Hey everyone, ever had that nagging feeling that someone's peeking into your Instagram with a fake account? Well, today, I'm here to help you spot those sneaky spies. First up, let's talk profile pictures. A classic sign of a fake account is a profile pic that just seems off. Think generic, overly perfect, or straight-up stock images. A quick reverse image search can sometimes reveal if that picture's been swiped from elsewhere on the internet. Next, take a peek at their followers and who they're following. A fake account often has a bizarre ratio, like following thousands with only a few followers in return. And if their followers look like a bunch of random accounts with no real connections, that's another red flag. Now, let's get a bit techie. Tools like Social Blade can give you a deeper insight. This tool lets you track user stats like follower growth. If you see spikes that don't make any sense, like a huge jump in followers overnight, it could be a clue that something's fishy. Also, pay attention to engagement. A real user interacts in a way that shows they're, well, real. Comments that feel generic or irrelevant can be a sign of a bot or someone who's not genuinely engaged in your content. Lastly, trust your gut. If something feels off about an account, it probably is. Don't hesitate to block or report if you feel uncomfortable. Remember, your privacy and security come first. There you have it. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be better equipped to protect your Insta space from those unwanted spies. Stay safe and stay savvy, everyone.